Welcome to the stunning Albanian Riviera, one of Europe's most beautiful and still undiscovered coastal treasures. Today, we're in Ksamil, a true paradise known for its crystal clear waters, soft, sandy beaches, and breathtaking views. Whether you are travelling as a couple, with friends, or with your family, Ksamil is a very safe and welcoming destination, perfect for relaxing and enjoying unforgettable moments. During the summer months, the weather here is simply perfect. You can expect long sunny days, warm temperatures, and ideal conditions for swimming, sunbathing, and exploring the coastline. Before heading to the beach, here are a few helpful tips. The local currency is the Albanian lek. While most restaurants accept debit cards, credit cards, and even international options like Wisecard, we recommend carrying some cash with you. This will be useful for small purchases such as water, souvenirs, sunbeds, and other beach essentials. If you are wondering where to get the best exchange rates, we have prepared a special video explaining exactly how and where to exchange money directly in Ksamil. You can find the link in the description below. If you are enjoying this content and would like to support the channel, you can help us grow by clicking the super thanks button. We truly appreciate your support. Now, let's enjoy the beauty of Ksamil, part of the famous Albanian Riviera. Known for its breathtaking crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, peaceful atmosphere, and incredible natural beauty, Ksamil has become one of the fastest growing summer destinations in Europe. If you love travelling, discovering new places, tasting local food, finding the best affordable hotels, and learning useful travel tips and tricks for holiday makers of all ages, then you are in the right place. We truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventures and travel tips. Ksamil is ideal for families, couples, solo travellers, and groups of friends. Whether you want a quiet beach day, amazing seafood, exciting water sports, or a boat adventure exploring nearby islands, this destination truly has something for everyone. The first thing you notice when arriving here is the colour of the water. The sea is unbelievably clear and calm, with beautiful turquoise tones that look almost tropical. Combined with the soft, white sand beaches, it creates the perfect place to relax and enjoy a peaceful holiday. The weather during summer is usually warm and sunny, making it perfect for swimming, sunbathing, paddleboarding, kayaking, jet skiing, and boat trips around the coast. And before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, please help support the channel by subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment below. It really helps the channel grow, reach more people, and continue bringing you amazing travel content from around the world. Also, here is a travel tip that we personally use on every trip. We always use a Wisecard when traveling, and honestly, it has become one of our favourite ways to pay in shops, restaurants, hotels, and many other places around the world. Why do we use it? Because the exchange rates are usually among the best available, it works with many currencies worldwide, it is safe and secure, and you can always clearly see what you are spending directly from the app. It makes travelling much easier and helps avoid unnecessary exchange fees. And if you would like to get your own Wisecard, you can easily do it through the link in the description below. By using our link, you also help support this channel so we can continue bringing you more travel tips, guides, and incredible new destinations. The atmosphere here is very welcoming and relaxing. You will find friendly local people, many beach bars, restaurants with all kinds of menus, fresh Mediterranean food, traditional Albanian cuisine, seafood restaurants, cafes, and affordable places to eat for every budget. One important tip for visitors: rental sunbed prices may vary depending on the season. During peak summer months, prices are usually higher, while outside the busiest weeks, you can often find much better deals and a quieter atmosphere. Whether you are looking for relaxation, adventure, delicious food, or simply an unforgettable summer holiday, Ksamil is definitely a destination worth visiting. Whether you are looking for relaxation, adventure, delicious food, or simply an unforgettable summer holiday, Ksamil is definitely a destination worth visiting. We truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventures and travel tips. Now, let's continue exploring more of beautiful Ksamil. Take a look at these incredible beaches, the peaceful crystal clear water, and the stunning scenery all around the Albanian Riviera. Many travellers assume that the easiest way to reach Ksamil is by flying into Albania's main airport, Tirana International Airport. However, the journey from Tirana to Ksamil can take between 4 and 5 hours by car or bus, making it a long travel day. For our trip, we chose a much faster and more enjoyable route. Instead of flying into Albania, we flew into Corfu Airport in Greece. From there, we travelled to Corfu Harbour and took a ferry across the Ionian Sea to Sarandë, Albania. This option takes only about 1 to 2 hours of active transit time, depending on ferry schedules and border procedures, that most of the time is very straightforward and quickly. Along the way, you can enjoy spectacular views of the coastline and the beautiful waters separating Greece and Albania. Another advantage of this route is the opportunity to explore not just Ksamil, but also the charming seaside city of Sarandë, or the beautiful Greek island of Corfu. It transforms a simple transfer into an unforgettable part of the journey. Once you arrive in Sarandë, Ksamil is only a short drive away that you can easily do by taxi from Sarandë port, making it one of the most convenient and scenic ways to reach this paradise on the Albanian Riviera. If you would like a complete step-by-step guide showing exactly how we made this journey from Corfu Airport to Ksamil, including ferry tickets, transportation, costs, travel tips and border crossing information, simply click the link below and watch our full video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventures and travel tips. And make sure to check out our other videos for more amazing destinations, hotel recommendations, travel hacks, local food experiences, and much more. Thank you very much for watching. We truly appreciate your support. See you in the next journey.